What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of the Unreal Engine 4 game development live stream, where we're working on Project Hero, adventure game made with Unreal Engine 4, C++, blueprints, the gameplay ability system, and all that good stuff. So last time we were working on trying to get our camera to get set up so when we press G, it kind of swings in so that we could possibly then, create a UI. So like at the top, for example, you would have options for like head or shoulders or whatnot. So I'm just wondering, I'm kind of asking some questions to myself, like, do we want to do it on the actual live character, or do we want to have like a separate character that we do these modifications to, and then this one updates on its own? Like, you have some certain UIs, like for example in like Breath of the Wild, for example, you'll have options to change your hair color. It could eventually evolve into like an inventory thing. So I'm kind of just wondering what could possibly be the better option. And now that I'm thinking about it, maybe doing it the Breath of the Wild style would be better. So let's just take a look. Let's just see. Let's see what the inventory looks like. So we have something like this. So I'm curious how we can accomplish this. And I know there are YouTube tutorials on how to do that. So maybe we can watch some. So UE4, Breath of the Wild, inventory. Okay, so this might be just inventory, because I think we need to have like some sort of like duplicate, and like have a duplicate of the character located somewhere. The Epic Games login is failing today. Sorry to hear. I was dealing with a frustrating bug myself towards the end of the day at work. I still haven't figured it out, so I'm probably gonna have to jump in tomorrow. And also, I ate too much for dinner again today, and I feel like a fat fuck again. And I haven't been to the gym in a few days, so I gotta really push myself to do that tomorrow. So UE4, let me see. Squad in, yeah. UE4 character in inventory. Yeah, maybe something like this. Yeah. Hey, Sandra. Howdy. Okay, so this is part 6. Oops. Let me see if I could find the entire thing. Here we go. Yeah, 3D mesh widget. That's probably what I want. So what does he do? So he gets a render target. Okay. So he works with a render target. It makes a material. So he makes an actor, a 3D capture mesh, scene, so mesh placeholder, spring arm, scene capture component. So we adjust fields of view. And puts up a widget. Has the image there. Okay. Makes the widget, adds it to the viewport. Okay. Now, does he do it in a way where it could update like in real time? Yeah, okay. So he definitely does. So he's creating like a section. Yeah. So I gotta make like, okay. So this is a decent tutorial to start following. So I'm gonna follow it on the side. So we're gonna kind of forget what we were doing before. Yeah, so forget about the camera. Why did it fail? Do I have two editors open? Oh yeah, I do. Get out. Okay, check out. Yeah, it's been hella hot lately. For sure. It seems like everywhere. Okay, so this will be, I guess we should have like an actual like pause menu. So I could probably go into my input, my action mappings. We'll call this I guess I'll just call it menu for now. And it'll be escape. Then we have the character creator. We have all this camera data stuff that we probably don't need anymore. So we're definitely gonna have to just basically undo what we did in the last stream. Maybe try to set it up this way instead. Well, what you can do is, I believe if you do shift escape, it'll work. So for example, event main menu, or is it just main menu or just menu? Event menu, yeah. And you do, I'll just print it to say hello. I believe if you do shift escape, yeah, you see hello. So that's how you could do it while in Pi. You could hit shift escape and it will work without closing the editor, just as a random tip. Because you are right. You do escape, yeah, but I'll try not to. Maybe we can maybe we can just do something else for now. We'll say J, just so we don't get that headache. So let's get rid of some of the code that we did last time. So in our hero controller, we had this data that we don't need. I don't think we did anything with it. Oh yeah. Oh, this is the character. Whoops. Controller. Nothing really important there, so we're good. Then we gotta just wait for Windows Explorer to not kill itself while you try to open something. Project Hero, Hero Game, Hero. Source, Hero. Character creator, camera data, we could just nuke that. Now binaries, saved and intermediate, we can nuke. It's probably gonna give me an issue with saved. Fine, I won't delete saved. We generate Visual Studio project files again. We'll see if we'll get a problem. I'm really glad I bought a like a mechanical fan, so it's not as hot in my room anymore. So I'm not as like sweaty and depressed as I was before. So I'm showing my face again. All right, so now we should be able to open up a solution file. We should be able to compile, and we can kind of start from scratch again. So based on the tutorial, we need like a render target and all that stuff. And yeah, I'm a huge fan. It looks like a pillar. Okay. Insert wind. Fly like the wind. Okay, we're gonna wait for this to. I think while we're waiting, I'm gonna get rid of this new Sherry Berry crap. We don't need that. It's always just wrong anyway. So let me just move that down. Good enough. Now let's see if we can compile. Like I ordered fajitas for dinner, and there was like, that was at least like 1,500 calories of food. I fucked up. I was eating so well today. And yesterday I ate too much and drank at that work-related stuff. So I really need to, I need to do better. I just chose food as an outlet for stress, and that was a mistake. All right, bada boom, we're in, we're good. All right, so first things first, he makes what? All right, he makes a render target. Yeah, we're back to render targets. So we're gonna do I'll say inventory for this one. And then what was it? Yeah, materials and textures, render target. We'll call it RT player character. Okay, render target done. Now we gotta make a material. Okay, we can right click on it, create material. Player character. Now we open that. I think we're okay. It automatically kind of does it. So he opens it up. Selects this bad boy. Material domain is going to be user interface. Okay. And for muchos gracias. Is that all he did in the material? I guess so. Now he's what? Making a new blueprint actor? Okay. Might want to convert this to C++ eventually. Yo, Sandra, you got the job? Woo! Congratulations, that's great news. Well deserved. Yeah, plus 69 experience, baby. Alright, so he creates an actor, he names it whatever. Alright. So he adds a scene. I don't know why he adds another scene component. But I'll do the same. Calls it mesh placeholder, then he does a spring arm. don't hug the number 4. So scene capture component 2D now. Okay. And then he goes into the settings. So yeah, we put in a render target here. And the spring arm should be attached to the mesh placeholder. So we have the render target for the character. Then he adds a skeletal mesh. He routes it to this. Then he adds the mesh. Okay. Yeah, we're definitely gonna have to do something relatively similar to how our character set up. Yeah, I'm blue. All right. Can I copy? I can. Okay. Oh no. Yeah, so no head. I'm gonna have to see what the fudge is the difference here. Alright, yeah, they're all offset in bad ways, it looks like. Alright, this is not even a mesh, so... Alright, so something weird is happening. So we got the head, which is right. So we got that. Is the rotations all wrong as well? Yeah, okay. Okay. Boom. We deleted one, and we're gonna have to fix that, I'm sure. Yeah, he doesn't want to look at me. Okay, so let's name these. So we'll say head. We'll name them the same. Shoulders. We're gonna have to rewrite this in code anyway, but whatever. Shoulders, back, earrings, hands, feet, now one of these is primary weapon. The other one is shield. They'll just copy. Okay, so oh yeah, we're also got to delete some shit from here. We don't need this child actor or the scene component. Bye. Oh, we don't need this. Oh yeah. Can I delete this without it being? Ugh, I hate forced deleting shit. Always makes the editor a little slower. So let's close out. Yeah, you have. Sometimes you just gotta do what you gotta do, you know? Alright. So we have him. We gotta fix this spring arm. Alright, so we have the mesh. In the scene capture component, we have the render target, yeah. Okay, we might want to get a little closer. Size, whatever. We might want to increase the size, the texture render, but I'll see. So he rotates the mesh. Okay. Oh yeah, he changes the projection method as well of the scene capture component. So it's still perspective, but he put it to like 40, so I'll put 45 or something. Okay, now we can just drop it. Back it up. Drop it. Back it up. Back it up one more. Two tops this time. And then maybe down again. All right, I think that's okay. So we got that. So now he's going into the material again. Wait, did he do anything? Okay, he didn't really do anything in the material. What's next? All right, he's making the widget now. Wait for what? What's up? Can't you just use your camera for the render target? I'm sure you can. Well, I don't know. Like, I'm just following this tutorial. Because, like, it could be a potential issue, for example. Say it's nighttime or something. And you want to, like, go into the inventory and look at your character. Maybe you want to have different lighting on it. So you wanted to have, like, neutral lighting. So you would have to have maybe a duplicate somewhere else in the world, or somewhere unaffected by lighting in general, or like the dynamic skybox lighting. So at that point, it would make sense to do it this way. But I see your point too. But let's just go about it this way. See what happens. All right, let's make our UI. So we got two different UIs: user interface widget, VP UI, character preview. And what does he do? He makes an image. Yeah. Alright, for some reason his image automatically scales with the whole thing. So we just gotta do that. And yeah, then update the brush. Guess it has to be this material. Oh. So fill screen he changed to desired. Oh no. Did you change image size? Yeah. Let's do like 512 by 512 or something. Okay. Now he's getting rid of the black background. All right. No, not yet. All right, yeah, he's changing it from opaque to translucent. Putting the RGB into there. Cool. Do I have to put him in to the world? We'll just do inventory in here. Very nice, Codebreaker. Keep on, keep it on. User interface BP there. BP, UI, inventory main, I guess. Inventory main. And then he literally just drops this. Is it under user created? Character preview. Do we make it like 512 by 512 like I wanted? It's hard to see what he's doing only because, like, I'm not listening. Okay, 1 minus. Okay, so mine's not really working. Um, did I miss something? Um, I feel like I'm going loco. Well, this was 2 years ago too. All right, let's go to our character controller. Or player controller, I should say. Let's see what it looks like. So it's Jay. Our hair's gone for some reason now. That's cool. Can I diff against Depot? Okay. So my dude's bald. Okay. Like I'm trying to make like a menu where like you pop into the menu, you see your character, kind of like in Breath of the Wild. Like I have this tutorial that I'm following. So I'm just trying to get this to work as well as I can. So is there a way to improve the quality? Do I have to make this like 1024? That definitely helped. Okay, can I do like 2048? Okay. So I definitely fucked something up because it's not like as transparent as I need it to be. Like he kind of just drops him underneath. So can I... Yeah, I think I have to make my own like room and just kind of keep them there. So I think I would have to make like my own level, stream them in. Outside the skybox, yeah, right. So let's make a new level. Empty level. Wait, is that my character? Yeah. So we'll do character preview map. And now I think I got it. I don't know how good this is going to be, but we'll get geometry, get a box, hollow it, make it like 600 by 600 by 600. Now is there like, I don't know, like a black, like, I don't know, M black? Okay. I don't know how good of an idea this is, but okay. Now it's kind of hard to see. Now, we don't want to cast shadow. Let's just see what this looks like. So levels. No. Add existing. Always loaded. All right, so here's the level. These guys just in the middle of the world. Now I wonder, I guess I could just go back into the other level. Yeah, let's save. Take everything, move it down. Yeah, I'm noticing that too. It might be just my internet at the moment. Maybe I don't even need geometry. Well, yeah, I should have geometry so it blocks the light from the other room. All right, so now he's down here. So let's just see what that looks like. So definitely somewhat more manageable. I don't know why. It's like that. I don't need desaturation, no. So I did something wrong with the alpha, I think. Give me just a second, guys. Sorry. So I definitely fucked something up with the transparency. So user interface. Then we did he had the scene stuff, okay. That's the render target. What's in the mesh? Okay. Sorry, I'm kind of just skipping through the video. Then he makes the UI. Okay. Then he puts the animation. Then he adds the character thing to that. Then he adds the UI. Okay, and it's all black. So that's kind of where we are now. So he goes to the material. So what did he do here? Sorry, I'm watching this video on the side. So he goes to user interface, then opaque, he changes this to translucent, which I did. And he throws the art. Okay, I did the RGBA, not the alpha. Okay, so I guess it has to be RGBA. Wait, what happened? Why did that all of a sudden just break? Yeah, now that doesn't work. Fuck. Okay, apply. Final color. So that immediately breaks. So user interface translucent. I don't understand what happened. It was just fine. Okay. That was strange behavior. There we go. Ah, why? Like, that should be fine. Like, now this is all kind of fucked up, like. Man, I can't even follow a tutorial sometimes. It's like there's one part. Like, it's not showing me the outline, which I don't understand why. If you're using the alpha as the mask, then you should have no light. I don't know. Like, in this tutorial, the guy has light everywhere. And his is opaque, just... or his is transparent. So I don't think that's the case, Codebreaker. I don't think it's global illumination, man. He has it in the third person map. Like, he didn't do anything special. The third person map has a directional light and all that stuff. Like, even if I take away this light, let's say I disable it, I'll make it 0. I don't think you're still gonna see black surrounding my character. Unless I have to, like, build light again, which I doubt. I highly doubt. But we'll do it. So, again, Codebreaker, I don't think you're right. Because you see in this video, he has this outline. I do not. So there's something I missed for sure. Something I'm missing. And I don't fully understand right now. It was looking okay before. Alright, wait, I changed it to linear color. What does his say? His is color. Why is that wrong all of a sudden? Alright. Let me make another material. Let's just see what the default parameters are. So it does use linear color by default. Okay. Can I delete without force deleting? Okay. Oh, man, I don't know. Is there anything in the comments saying like how to fix it? So it says for getting rid of the background is to set the scene capture 2D primitive render mode. Just use show only list. Let's try looking at that. So what parameter? It's not post-processing. Not this. Capture on movement. Maybe doing something like that. Nah, that didn't make a difference. What parameter is he trying to do? Wait. Show only actor components. Do I have to do like self? I don't know if this is even what I need to do. Oh, that was okay. There we go. So now I gotta figure out what the fuck happened to my hair. I don't want anything for my hair. I forgot my button to change. Project settings. Enter. Alright, so they're both bald. which means I did something fucked up to the hair. Let's take a back at the example. Um, is it that issue you were having before? About bounds? No. Am I just permanently bald? What the fuck? I fixed one thing, and then the rest is just like, no. Have fun feeding the cat. Okay, wait, my hair is down there. What happened? Um, this is weird. My hair is gone. Still gone. What the fuck? That's upsetting. Upsettingly annoying that the hair just disappears. So I really don't understand why the hair is on the ground. Like, I didn't change anything. Like, head underscore accessories. Do I have to, like, comment it out and compile. Yeah, someone snatched my wig, dude. On trigger, dude. We were doing so well. So I don't even think this is gonna compile. Okay, it did. So the result should still be the same, where like it's gonna give us an error or something. Like it might even crash if we play. Yeah. So now this is behaving weird. It's not even letting me compile now. Compile. Alright, so cancel. Compile. Oh boy. Alright, now this is just being stupid. Cool. When it rains, it pours, huh? Let's try this again. We'll wait for everything to finish up here. It's processing a bunch of things, updating things. Come on. Okay. Alright, so literally not... No, rebuild solution, please. Did I want to do the solution? No. No. Cancel. Alright. I pressed F5 now. It's doing something. Oh boy. All I want is my hair to work. And now I'm dealing with this stuff. That's life. Just crabs. Ah. Heavy sigh. Alright. Let's see if our hair works. Let's see if it's attached correctly. Yeah, sometimes I just want to scream like that snake, just to be like, ah! Fucking hell! What happened? Oh, I want to just throw a temper tantrum. Like, literally, I don't know what happened. Like, if I create another, for example, I'll make another skeletal mesh. Can I call it hair? No, I can't. So I'll just call it skeletal mesh. And I attach it to head accessories, right? That's not head accessories. It gets attached to there. And then I add hair. And it's like, boom, you know, like, it works. But the hair doesn't. And I'm just super confused about it. It was just working. Like head accessories, I literally just copied and pasted the text for that, so I know it's correct. And it uses setup attachment like everything else. It gets the mesh. Just like everything else. Do I have to like redo the hair? So let's comment out the hair. Let's see what happens. Like honestly, like we're not gonna see it there, which is perfectly fine. But then, like I really, sometimes I don't know what I do wrong, and it's very frustrating. You think after all these years, I know how to use this fucking engine, but I don't. Now these fucking cables are stuck in my chair. Oh, God. So I play, still bald, which is perfectly fine. Now if I uncomment these... Let's see where we stand. So we have hair. Fuck! What the hell?
Good Earth is rich. It can provide for everyone. The way of life can be free and beautiful.
Can it tell me what its socket is? Does hair have to be included? Like, it was working just a second ago. Now it's gone. Hair. Is it in my torso? Okay, so definitely hair does not belong. The hair has entered fuck me mode. Like, not at all cool. Like, I'm so confused. Can I do something like just to test it? Then begin play. Attach to component. Attach to component. So I want to snap to target everything. And then head accessories. And we'll print if it returns true or not. So true, and now look, it's fine. And now it's not. How fucking dumb is that? That makes zero sense. And I'm not too sure why. I don't know. I don't understand how it could. Because it's doing the same exact thing. Setup attachment, gets the parent mesh, puts in the socket name. I don't know. I really don't. Like, I literally didn't change anything. It like fucking just broke magically on its own. It's Unreal is like garbage half the time. So I'm gonna call this back accessories. Does it attach to back accessories? Damn it, that's fucking earrings. So like, earrings are attached correctly. That's even weirder. Earrings work. But hair, no. How? Alright, I'm gonna call it hairs. If I change the name, will it fucking work then? I don't know, I'm getting so frustrated again and I'm being sarcastic. Ugh, it's such an ugly side of me and I hate it so much. And I'm spending like an hour figuring out why my hair magically just broke in this game. Still wrong. Fuck this. Let's go to our source control. All this data crap I don't need. Let's vert changes from our blueprint character. Now let's see if we play it, what will happen. So we have our hair back, right? Okay. Now I don't need this scene actor, and I don't need that child actor. Removed. All right, we have our hair back. Press J, and we're good. We got our character as well. So all it took was reverting, and I wasted like a half hour. Cool. I also want to know, like, it's probably the same for you guys. But does the game look at all choppy? Like, it looks hella choppy. Like, it looks fine for me in person. But I'm seeing on the playback, it's like really choppy. Like half the time. Is there any information on that? UE4 Pi is laggy on stream? While streaming on Twitch. Okay. Okay. All unnecessary information right now. Okay. Sucks to have chest pain for sure. I think the last thing I want to do tonight is to have my preview character. I want to name this preview character instead. And preview character. Okay. So now on event begin play. But I don't know if there will be an easy way to do this. Like, I guess in C++ it might be cleaner, but for now I can just kind of do something like this. So I would want to do what? Get player character. Store that. And then we'll probably make functions for each thing. So function update hair. And for hair, Or I don't know if I did this. Maybe I did. There was an input. Character parts? Did I make an enum? Oh, I made the enum in that class that we deleted. Okay. So I guess we'll make separate things. Update hair. So get hair. Hair. I gotta cast to my character. Update this variable type. Good there. So get hair. So get hairs. Fuck. I don't want it to be called get hairs. Let's fix the code again. Oh boy. We'll let it finish indexing. I guess in the meantime, yeah, we could just rename this again hair instead of hairs. Let's pray this doesn't break anything. Thanks for the follow, Juicy Bulama. Very nice name. Thanks for coming in and hanging out. Alright, so let's pray that our hair still stays attached properly even after changing that. Okay, we're good. Get hair. Is there like get materials? So I guess I could do like a 4 each for the materials. So first I gotta do, so for hair, I'll do set mesh. Just set skeletal mesh. Get mesh. And then I can go and for loop through them and do what? Set material. Like that. So my guy should have hair. And he doesn't. Cool. His hair is at the floor. Oh my god. Ah! But I know why. I know why. We gotta just socket it that way. So let's see now. Yes. Yes. Okay. Okay, so let's do the rest. So I feel like I should make an enum. So I'm gonna make a blueprint enum. We're gonna convert this all to code eventually. Is it under miscellaneous or is it gonna be under blueprint? Yeah, blueprints, enum, body parts. And this is what we're gonna do. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I don't know how many parts there are. So we're gonna do head, upper body, lower body, excuse me. So lower body, then hair. Shoulders, back, earrings, and hands and feet. So earrings, hands. Thank you, Codebreaker. And feet. Okay, so within this enumeration, we should be able to do something a little robust. Or we could just be like, update character. We pass in an input of this enumeration, so body parts. We can do an array. Body parts. Hi, so I was reading your About Me section. I see you started this project to learn more about C++. I'm trying to learn C++ as well and was wondering what resources you'll have to use to learn it. I will help you. Give me just a sec. There's a general C++ website that I used and I go back to from time to time. It's called learncpp.com. In terms of Unreal Engine 4 and the context of Unreal Engine 4 C++, once I got an understanding of C++ in general, I kind of just started making my blueprints and then slowly converting them to C++. And that's been my pipeline kind of going forward. So like right now what we're doing, we're going to eventually just put this to C++. I mean, I'm sure there's good tutorial series out there for Unreal C++ on YouTube. Shouldn't be too hard if you just Google that. But that website I linked is a good resource. How many entries do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4. Tien, Shesh, Shed, Awesome, Jevin. So 9. So we'll do head, upper body, lower body. Hair, shoulders, back, earrings, hands. Okay, so I miscounted. It's awesome. Now, we should be able to. We're gonna have to use a bunch of for each loops. I usually don't like following tutorials since I found that they usually use shortcuts to get things done. Yeah. Every programmer is different. Everyone's going to be making weird mistakes, or you might have a disagreement on like how they do things, or they use shortcuts, bad shortcuts. That resource I linked, I think, is a good resource. It's all written. It's not a video or anything, so you can go at your own pace, and the code works, and it's pretty thorough. Can I do a select? Oh, I can. I don't know if I want to have two separate things like this, but I might have to. Function's probably gonna be really wonky looking. Alright, we're gonna probably get a lot of warnings, but the hair should still work. Let's see if that's the case. Yes, the hair still works. But yeah, we got a lot of warnings. So there should be a cleaner way to do this. So we're just gonna do this, for example. All right, we're gonna call this preview mesh part. So head, upper body, lower body, shoulders, back, earrings, hands and feet. And then we'll call it this player mesh target. Again, this is pretty sloppy looking, but after it's done, in theory, it all should work. And we can probably move to converting it to C++ next time. So this time, we're gonna get the head. All right, we have to get the mesh. Then get upper body. Get lower body. All right, we'll do all these ones first. And then we'll just put in the one. So get shoulders. I don't know what the visitor pattern is. Let's take a look. The visitor design pattern is a way of separating an algorithm from an object structure on which it operates. A practical result of this separation is the ability to add new operations to existing object structures without modifying the structures. It is only one way to follow the open-close principle. Too complicated for me to understand at the moment, so I'll try to look at it again some other day. Back, earrings. Get feet. Okay. Now it says get player, get hair. So it's just gonna be this. So the target is preview mesh part. Alright, moment of truth. Yes! Except the earrings are wrong. But that's okay. I know how to fix that. Earrings. And I think back has to be back accessories. So there we go. Oh yeah, the shoulder pads are fucked up too. Shoulders. Okay, nope. Let's look at the player character. Let's look. So shoulders is not that. Do shoulders have animation? No. I don't know why, but the shoulders look fucked up. Yeah, they definitely do. So we can look at our guy. Yeah, shoulders. Maybe I have to do the same thing here. Is that better? Yeah. I believe that's okay. Good. So I just gotta see what would possibly be like, I don't know if I have to just make my render target again like 4096, like make it like, oh yeah, I'm sure 4096. Let's see if it crashes. There's definitely a performance issue. So yeah, 2048. We'll leave it at that. And then we have our UI. That's not important. That's the actual main. Can I make it like 1024 by 1024? Let's just see what that looks like. So that doesn't look too bad. Like if you were to imagine this as like an actual like main menu or something. Like obviously we would like clear out, you know, put a background on it, take control away from the player. I think that works better. So we're gonna have to convert everything we did. What's my stat FPS like? Alright, still good. So it's chilling at like 100. That's 120 if this is at 100. So we're definitely got to work on scaling and shit like that based on port window size and stuff like that, but that's all stuff for another day. Okay, but I am pretty happy with that. So since we got that going, I think that's where I'm gonna end it for tonight. We've been going for almost 2 hours now. So next time, we'll convert everything we just did to C++, and we'll start working a little bit more on the UI, and we'll kind of just see how far we can take it. So we're gonna go ahead, we'll raid, who do we want to raid? We'll raid Sovereign Dev. Thanks for watching, everybody. Codebreaker, as usual, thanks for stopping by. I appreciate it. Thank you, Juicy Bulama, for the follow. I also appreciate it. See you guys tomorrow. We'll play some games, and then on Thursday we'll continue the project. So have a good night. See you soon.